Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a topic that can be uncomfortable to talk about, but it's super common and nothing to be ashamed of: vaginal itching and discomfort. It's something that many women experience at some point in their lives, and it can be really frustrating. But before you head to the pharmacy, did you know there are some natural remedies that can provide relief? In this video, I'm going to share 5 natural remedies that can help soothe vaginal itching and discomfort. These remedies are easy to find, simple to use, and can make a big difference in your comfort level. Remember, I'm not telling you to ditch your doctor. If you're experiencing persistent or severe symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. But for mild discomfort, these natural remedies can be a great place to start. Let's start with a simple yet effective remedy: baking soda. Taking a bath with baking soda can help to treat yeast infections and reduce skin irritation. As per the study, baking soda has antifungal properties, which can kill irritation-causing bacteria. Put 1/4 cup of baking soda in your bath or make a paste and apply it on the skin. Next up, apple cider vinegar. Just like baking soda, taking a bath with apple cider vinegar may also help to soothe an infection. Apple cider vinegar has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which prevent the growth of bacteria. Put 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar in water and take a bath with it for relief. Let's move on to the number 3. Coconut oil is not only healthy for cooking food, but is also good for the skin. A 2016 study revealed that coconut oil can kill bacteria causing yeast infections. It contains lauric acid, a fatty acid with potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These properties make coconut oil an effective remedy for calming vaginal itching and reducing inflammation. Its moisturizing properties can also help combat dryness, which often exacerbates itching. Take a few drops of coconut oil on your fingers and rub it properly on your skin. Next up is yogurt, a natural powerhouse when it comes to vaginal health. You see, yogurt contains live cultures of good bacteria called probiotics, particularly lactobacillus strains. These probiotics play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria and yeast in the vagina. When this balance is disrupted, it can lead to yeast infections, which often cause itching and discomfort. By consuming yogurt rich in probiotics, you can help restore this balance and prevent or alleviate these symptoms. Aim for plain, unsweetened yogurt with live and active cultures. You can enjoy it as a snack, add it to smoothies, or even apply it topically to the affected area for a soothing effect. However, if you choose to apply it topically, be sure to use a clean tampon or pad afterward to avoid any mess. Number 5. Essential oil. Some essential oils are also effective in treating infection. Tea tree and oregano are the 2 most effective oils that you can use for itchy vagina. Their antifungal properties can kill a range of yeasts and fungi. Take 2 to 3 drops of oil in your hand and apply it on the outer skin of the vagina. So there you have it, 5 natural remedies that can help soothe vaginal itching and discomfort. Remember, these remedies are meant to complement, not replace, professional medical advice. If your symptoms are severe or persistent, please consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. But for mild discomfort, these natural options can provide relief and help you feel more like yourself. And remember, there's no shame in talking about vaginal health. It's an important part of overall well-being, and seeking help when needed is a sign of strength, not weakness. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.